Yeah, afternoon, guys. Yeah, I hope you guys are all good. Um, in the streets of YouTube. Hmm. So, I just wanted to make this short video, yeah, about what I saw in the morning. I saw today the video which was speaking about the death, yeah, a guy by the name of Witness D in the Matlanga Commission. And the guy was testifying about the crimes that he has observed officers of the law in South Africa doing, and on Saturday apparently he was killed. Um, Mai says that out of this, it brings a whole lot of concern about the battle between what is good and what is evil in our country. Pila, what direction are we heading? Sometimes I get to think about the next upcoming elections, and that or by the time we get to those, how many people would have died while people are trying to secure the top seat of the country, and the whole lot of corruption is happening right now. And so, yeah, I guess this video is just to say that we shouldn't lose hope as South Africa. Despite of whatever bad things that are happening around us, good will prevail, guys. The blood of those people will not go in vain. Um, and I guess it's my prayer for the root of corruption in our country be taken out. We are moving towards the right direction, but the cost at which this is happening, it just brings quite some concern. And honestly, I'm nervous about who's going to be the next president of Mzansi. That's one of my views. But Modimo, at the end of the day, ke yena o a beyang batho. Bible ke yena o a beyang dikgoši. And le gore dikgoši di laola ke yena gore di dire so ours is just to pray. So um, yeah, and the church must pray, man. The church must pray. The body of Christ. It doesn't matter who wrote or but we must pray.